Morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what postcards and other stuff sold on eBay. This is all stuff that sold on eBay yesterday, January 12th. Today's January 13th, 2022. Great day, $382 on 27 orders, not all postcards. First, Catalina. Let's see, Catalina Island, California. Large letter greetings, circa 1930s. And see that 5A. If you haven't watched my how-to videos, that 5A represents 1935. So $5 for that card. Did I just list that? No, that's been listed for a while. $5 best offer. There's another version of this Catalina Island card. I want to say it's red background, kind of the same style letters. That is a rarer card and can command much more money. I obviously have the wrong version. Next, Clark, New Jersey. Airview Howard Johnson's Motor Lodge Restaurant. Probably, those are 1950s, 60s cars there. Hojo's. There's that. $4 best offer. Okay, next. Comic humor, train conductor, full car, always room for one, no more. Got a whole bunch of these. Came in the auction from August of 2011. So these cost me pennies. $2.99 for that card. Next, Cleveland, Ohio Municipal Stadium, Cleveland's Chief Wahoo Browns. There's that. $14.25 on a best offer. This is Virginia City, Virginia Suicide Table, Sawdust Corner History, RPPC. And don't know much about this. Obviously, you could read that. It'd be better to read that this way. And if you want to pause and read that, feel free. $21 on a best offer. I think I had it up for, I think like $25. I don't even, I guess the research told me to put that high, but got $21 for it. This is San Francisco, California, Hashbury. I know that cannot be right. No, Hashbury scene. I wonder, is that Hayton Ashbury? So I know that's the famous hippie hangout, but obviously hash, drug use. Interesting. So $7.99 for that. If you've never been to Hayton Ashbury, I was there probably, 25, almost 30 years ago. I was stationed briefly in a base nearby and went downtown. Interesting place. Large letter greetings, San Francisco, San Diego, San Diego, California. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, $2.49. We've seen this one before. Gelton, Pennsylvania, Main Street, Eastview, circa 1911. Stores, Joe's clothing store, Main Street. There's a merchant and a tailor. Sales are still rolling in. $19.79 for that card. Let me show you the back. Do this. There's the back. And next we have Easton, Pennsylvania, view on Bushkill Creek River, circa 1910s. There's that one. Is that a rotograph? Yeah, rotograph. Someone, I think in Jackass Retro's channel or his auction the other day, asked about rotographs and RPPCs. And here's a great example of a non-real photo rotograph. Let me see, $9.99 for that card. Scranton, Pennsylvania, loading cage car of coal, bottom of shaft, coal mining, $10.99. There's that card. Coal mining always does well. Pennsylvania coal mining does very good. Annapolis, Maryland, This is Manresa on Severn Retreat House, circa 1950s. Makes no sense. But there's the Retreat House. You can see I have a whole bunch of these, and $2.49 for this one. Albuquerque, New Mexico, Holiday Inn, East Aerial View, Route 66. It looks like 1950s. Yeah, about 1950s, 60s. $6.99 for that card. Good Wishes for Thanksgiving Day, Corn Cob, 1907 clap saddle. Very dark card. Not sure if her signature's on this or not. Don't know. But it's her card. I know that is. Sometimes her signature blends in. They're usually all right there on the cornstalk leaf right there. Okay. Hard to see, but it's there. $4.99. I've sold these a little higher. It's usually probably a $6 card. Ad Postcard, Chicago, Illinois, the Magnificent Auditorium, the Girl Rangers, 1907. I think when I had this, when I was doing the comps for this card, this I think was like a $40 or $50 card, but again, my head there. But the corner's obviously missing, so still got $12 for it, which is not bad. Let me see. There's the back. There's that. Okay, next, Wooster, Ohio. Large letter greetings from Wooster. And I got $6.99 for that card. Actually, I think I got a best offer of $4. Mrs. Maryland, Baltimore, Camden Yards, Orioles Baseball Stadium. Same thing, got this along with a whole bunch of others in the auction in August of 21. And I got $2.49, have several copies left. This is President Gerald Ford Capitol Lying in State Funeral Program and Card, 2006-2007. I'm not sure if I've shown these before on the videos. I have hundreds, literally hundreds of these programs from when Ford laid in state. And they came from the postcard dealer I bought out in 2019. I literally boxes still shrink wrapped of these programs, and it has this little card here. I have stacks and stacks like that, and they routinely sell for anywhere between, if I do a best offer, anywhere between $11 to $15. Looks like I need to relist that. I will slide that one off to the side. Next, this is Bear Mountain, Colorado, from the $1 Million Highway. Real photo. There's that. DOPS is usually 1925 to 1940s. $10.99 for that card. Another one of those Sausalito, California ad cards with the marbles. This is York, Pennsylvania, Market Street View District, Business District, McCrory's. There's that. $5.99. I'm not sure if you want to see the back, but that's the back. Next, we have Christmas Greetings, Art Deco House, Brick Wall, Gate, Moon, Snow, Message. Hit all the keywords there. I like this postcard. I don't really collect postcards, but if I did, this would be in my collection. There's just something very simplistic and neat about this card. I think this is the second one I've had of these. $13.49. I really like that card. Dressed Roosevelt Bears leaving the balloon, hot air balloon rope. I don't understand that. Oh, because that's the name of it, leaving the balloon. The Roosevelt Bears, anthropomorphic dressed bears, do fairly well. A whole series of these cards. The older ones are much more desirable. $12.99 for that card. This is Memphis, Tennessee, a Schwab department store exterior. Had this for quite a while. $4.99. Another one from the A. Schwab department store interior view. Also $4.99. I think those two went to the same buyer. I'm pretty sure of it. Another dressed Roosevelt bear, Busy Bears on Friday. So along with that series, it's like Roosevelt Bears go to the zoo, Roosevelt Bears go to DC, stuff like that. They also have the days of the week with these bears doing like house chores. There's that, $5.99. This is California, Essex, California interior. Mitchell's Caverns, real photo, Frasher's photo. And that sold for $35. I don't know why. I don't know why I had it up that high. Obviously, my research told me to go higher with that card, and I took a best offer. I think I had it up for $39 or so. So $35 for that card. Next, Brownsville, Texas, Pan American Airways Terminal Airview Vintage Linen. Let me see if this has the date code. Yeah, so the 6A is 1936. And there's the back, $8.49 for that card. Next, Johnstown, Pennsylvania, Q Mahoning Dam. There's that, nothing really special. It's been up for quite a while, $6.99. Prudence Island, Rhode Island, Prudence Lighthouse, circa 1910. I have the Beatles song, Dear Prudence. This is called, let me blow this one up a little bit better. Right there, that's called a bullseye cancel. Nothing real special. They're fairly common. I mean, really don't see them all that often, but they're nothing real special. But you could use that as a keyword, call it the bullseye cancel. And what the stamp people like to look at, the bulls, they like the full bullseye centered right on usually the head of the person on the stamp. So it's a bullseye right on the head of the stamp. So bullseye cancel. 12. I forgot what card that was. $12.50 for the Lighthouse. Tivoli, I think that's how you say it. New York, Wall Street Historical View Tivoli Confectionery. This is a reproduction. That's why I put historical in the title. You can see on the back that it's viewed in 1919 and that it was produced for the confectionery company. It looks like a 1970s copy, and that's what I called it. I don't think it's original to 1918, and I put that here in my title. Two more left. This is large letter greetings from Conneaut, Ohio, linen. Sold immediately, and I actually had this a little higher than most of the comps by a buck, but still $5.99 for that card. And last but not least, Madame Alexandra, Pinkalicious doll plush dress star wand wings, 2000, both a 18 and a 9-inch doll. These were my daughter's, selling her childhood toys, so she liked Pinkalicious, and now she gets to have some of that money put in her college fund. Okay, that's it. A good day again. 382. If I could make 382 a day on eBay, that'd be great. Let me know in the comments if there are any other type of videos you want. I'm still working on the beginner's guide. I have two more. I think it's 17 and 18 done and uploaded. They'll be out this weekend. I need to finish that series and then go into the live auctions, and then start probably redoing some of the old videos that have been lost and gone forever. Okay, as always, thank you for watching.